Ensuring that mini centrifuges can work seamlessly with other laboratory instruments is crucial for maintaining workflow efficiency and consistency. Here's what you need to know about the compatibility of mini centrifuges. Key factors for compatibility. Tube compatibility, universal. Mini centrifuges often support a wide range of tube sizes and types. Specialized rotor. Choose rotors that match the tubes used in your other equipment. Power requirements, standard. Most mini centrifuges operate on standard laboratory power supplies. Surge protection. Consider using surge protectors to safeguard sensitive equipment. Space constraints, compact design. Mini centrifuges are designed to fit in tight spaces. Stockable. Some models can be stacked to save bench space. Integration capabilities, software compatibility. Look for models that integrate with lab management software. Data transfer. Ensure seamless data transfer between instruments. Automation compatibility, robotic systems. Mini centrifuges can be integrated with robotic arms for automated processes. Sample handling. Ensure compatibility with automated sample handling systems. Safety standards, compliance. Adhere to safety standards and regulations for compatible equipment. Certifications. Check for relevant certifications that ensure safe operation. Conclusion. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.